Hi everyone, you're welcome to chemistry class with me. So let's quickly attempt to this question. This is one of the questions that came out in this 2026 WAEC theory question. So this is a periodic table setting. Which of the elements in the periodic table I would exist as a diatomic gas? II is an alkaline metal. III would form an amphoteric oxide. IV would combine M to form electrovalent bond. V is a noble gas. Vi would form a covalent oxide. So let's attempt this question. The first one says, which would exist as a diatomic gas? So looking at what we have on the board, this is the one that is likely to form a diatomic gas. So this is oxygen, and oxygen is diatomic. So the answer for that one is M. The second one, which is an alkaline metal? Which ones are alkaline metals? Alkaline metals are the element found in group 1 of the periodic table. If you go to group 1, O is in group 1. So the answer is O. The next question, which of them would form an amphoteric oxide? What is amphoteric oxide? Amphoteric oxide reacts with both acid and base to form salt and water. And then other amphoteric oxide, we have aluminium oxide, zinc oxide. Looking at this periodic table, this will form an amphoteric oxide. The answer is R. The answer is R. The next question, which of them would combine M to form electrovalent bond? Let's go to the periodic table and locate our M. This is M, this is M, and then this M is in group 6. This is group 6, M is oxygen. Which of them can combine with it to form electrovalent bond? This O can combine with it to form electrovalent bond. So the answer is O. Alkaline metals, they can combine with this non-metal by transfer of electrons to form an electrovalent compound. Then the next question, which of them is a noble gas? Okay, to answer that question, noble gases are elements found in group 8 of the periodic table. Looking at this setting, this is group 8, so V is a noble gas. Then the next question, which would form a covalent oxide? Which of them will form a covalent oxide? Non-metal can combine with it to form a covalent oxide. So the answer is this T. This T will combine to form a covalent oxide. See you in my next video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Follow Chemistry with Biz, like, comment, and share. Bye.
Very much.